So this is my Sing Session 1 PowerPoint presentation. Today I have choose two learning set clips. Um, these are describe basic computer component and operation and describe major LAN networking technologies. Hello everyone. Today we will be covering the fundamental aspect of computers, including their basic component, how they operate, and major technologies used in local area network or LANs. Understanding this topic is crucial because computers are an essential part of everyday life, whether at home, school, or work. By the end of this presentation, we will have a clear understanding of how computers work and how they connect to form networks. So this is introduction. Computer are electronic devices that process data into useful information. They consist of hardware, the physical component like CPU and memory, and software which provides the instruction for hardware to execute tasks. Networking allows computer to communicate with each other, share resources such as files and printers, and access the internet efficiently. LAN are especially important in offices and schools where multiple computers need to be connected within a limited area. So next slide is about the basic computer component. The main hardware component of the computer are CPU, central processing unit, often called the brain of computer. It performs all the calculation and execute instruction. Next is memory, that is RAM, provides temporary storage for active processes, while ROM stores permanent instruction needed to start the computer. Input devices, talking about the input devices, um, this include keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone, which allow user to provide data to the computer. Uh, and about output devices, devices like monitor, printer, and speakers display or produce the result of computer processing. So all these components work together to ensure a smooth and efficient computer operation. So next is about storage devices. So storage devices can be classified as primary, secondary, and external storage. So primary storage is RAM, which is very fast but loses data when the computer is turned off. Secondary storage is hard disk drive or solid state drive, store data permanently. SSDs are faster than SDDs and improve system performance. Now about the external storage, USB drives or external SSDs allow backup and easy transfer of files. Like for example, installing software on an SSD allows the program to open and run much faster than on an SDD, improving overall productivity. Now we are going to talk about the computer operation. So computer follows a simple cycle, that is input, processing, output, and storage. So input, um, where data or commands are given to the computer using input devices. And about processing, the CPU interprets and executes instruction, performing calculation and logic operation. So output, The results are sent to output devices like monitor or printers. So storage, the data is saved for future use either temporarily in RAM or permanently in storage devices. For example, when we type a document, the keyboard acts as an input. The CPU processes the keystroke, the text appear on the screen, and we can save it to hard drive for later. Now I'm going to talk about the second objectives, that is learning objectives that I have choose. That is LAN. So what is LAN? Our local area network or LAN is a network that connects computer and devices in a limited area like an office, school, or home. LANs allow multiple computers to communicate with each other and share resources which such as files, printer, and internet connection. For example, in an office, all computer can access the same printer and share folders on a server. This makes collaboration easier and reduces the need for multiple devices for same tasks. So we also gonna discuss about the LAN topology. So LANs can be organized in different physical and logical structure called topologies. So talking about the star topology, all devices connected to a central hub or switch. It's easy to manage and troubleshoot. So about topology, all devices share a single communication line, which is cost effective but less reliable. And about ring topology, devices are connected in circular fashion and data travel in one direction. Star topology is commonly used in modern offices because failure in one device doesn't affect the other, making it highly reliable. So now we're gonna discuss about the LAN networking technologies. LANs use various technologies to connect devices. The first, Ethernet, the most commonly widely used wired LAN technology, providing fast and reliable data transfer. Wi-Fi, that is wireless LAN, connect device without cable using radio waves, convenient for mobile devices. Um, Next is token ring, an older technology where token passes between computer to control data transformation. And so I have also one example that is about the Ethernet connection in an office can provide a gigabyte speed, making file transfer and large data handling much faster than wireless connection. So next is about the advantage of LAN. Mm, So LANs provide several benefits. First is resource sharing. Printer files, internet connection can be shared efficiently. Second is high speed. So LAN allows fast communication and data transfer between connected devices. Easy communication, sharing resources reduce the. User can use email, instant uh, messaging within the network. Is easy communication. So it is also cost effective, um, because when we share the resources, it reduces the cost of hardware. For example, a school computer lab can connect it via LAN, enable student to access shared educational software and printers, promoting better learning and collaboration. So here is the conclusion, and in conclusion, I have gave three important points. Like in conclusion, understanding basic computer component like the CPU, memory, storage, and input-output devices is essential for using and maintaining computers. LANs play a vital role in connecting computer within limited area, making communication, collaboration, and resource sharing um, easy and efficient. Mastering this concept lays the foundation for learning advanced tech networking, troubleshooting, and system management skills, which are important in both professional and personal computing environment. So these are the reference I have used for this mm, PowerPoint presentation. And thank you for today.